Welcome to LitBlinds Store YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Beautiful printed Roman blinds design. Honeycomb blinds, also known as cellular shades, are a stylish and versatile window treatment that has gained immense popularity for their unique design and functional benefits. These blinds are characterized by their distinctive honeycomb-shaped cells that trap air within, providing exceptional insulation for your living spaces. The hexagonal cells create a series of pockets, effectively acting as a barrier against heat loss during the winter months and heat gain in the summer, making them an energy-efficient choice for any home. Beyond their thermal efficiency, honeycomb blinds also offer superior light control and privacy options. The cellular structure allows these blinds to filter and diffuse light, creating a soft and ambient atmosphere in your rooms. With a wide range of fabrics and opacities available, you can customize the level of privacy and light filtration according to your preferences. Additionally, honeycomb blinds come in various operating styles, including top-down, bottom-up, cordless, and motorized options, providing convenience and safety for households with children or pets. Their sleek and modern appearance adds a touch of elegance to any interior, seamlessly blending with different decor styles. Whether you seek energy savings, enhanced privacy, or a sophisticated aesthetic, honeycomb blinds stand out as a practical and aesthetically pleasing window treatment solution. Furthermore, the honeycomb blinds' innovative design extends to their ease of maintenance. The durable and resilient materials used in their construction make them resistant to dust, stains, and fading, ensuring a long-lasting and attractive window covering. The versatility of honeycomb blinds also makes them suitable for a variety of window shapes and sizes, from standard rectangular windows to specialty shapes and skylights. Their adaptability allows homeowners to achieve a cohesive and harmonious look throughout their living spaces. In terms of environmental impact, honeycomb blinds are often crafted from eco-friendly materials, contributing to sustainable and responsible living. Many manufacturers offer options made from recycled or sustainable materials, aligning with the growing demand for eco-conscious home decor choices. This commitment to environmental responsibility adds another layer of appeal for those seeking a greener lifestyle. Moreover, the insulating properties of honeycomb blinds contribute not only to energy efficiency but also to a reduction in external noise. This makes them an excellent choice for creating a serene and tranquil environment within your home, shielding you from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. In summary, honeycomb blinds offer a comprehensive solution to the diverse needs of homeowners. Their combination of energy efficiency, customizable design, easy maintenance, and environmental consciousness makes them a compelling choice for those looking to enhance the comfort, aesthetics, and functionality of their living spaces. Whether you prioritize energy savings, style, or sustainability, honeycomb blinds provide a harmonious blend of form and function for your windows. Delving deeper into the functional aspects of honeycomb blinds, their unique structure not only provides insulation but also helps control the level of natural light entering a room. The varying opacity options, ranging from sheer to blackout, allow you to manage the amount of sunlight streaming in, creating a perfect ambience for different activities and moods. This light control feature is particularly beneficial for spaces like bedrooms, home offices, or media rooms where precise lighting adjustments are crucial. Additionally, the top-down bottom-up functionality of honeycomb blinds adds a layer of flexibility to your privacy control. You can lower the top of the blinds while keeping the bottom part raised, allowing natural light to filter in while maintaining privacy, a particularly advantageous feature for rooms facing busy streets or neighboring buildings. Honeycomb blinds are also known for their child and pet-friendly design. The cordless and motorized options eliminate the risk of entanglement, making them a safe choice for households with young children or curious pets. The cordless operation not only enhances safety but also contributes to the clean and uncluttered appearance of the blinds, emphasizing their modern and streamlined aesthetic. Furthermore, the extensive range of color and fabric choices available for honeycomb blinds ensures that they can be seamlessly integrated into any interior design scheme. Whether you prefer a neutral palette that complements your existing decor or a bold pop of color to make a statement, you can find honeycomb blinds that suit your style preferences. In conclusion, honeycomb blinds stand out as a multifaceted window treatment option, combining energy efficiency, light control, privacy features, and safety considerations with a contemporary design. Their adaptability to various window types, easy maintenance, and eco-friendly options make them a well-rounded and practical choice for enhancing both the functionality and aesthetics of your living spaces. Taking a closer look at the construction of honeycomb blinds, the cellular design not only aids in insulation but also creates a lightweight and easy-to-operate window covering. The honeycomb structure allows the blinds to be both strong and flexible, making them durable while maintaining a soft and elegant appearance. This combination of strength and flexibility ensures that honeycomb blinds can withstand regular use and continue to function smoothly over time. Furthermore, the insulating properties of honeycomb blinds contribute to overall energy efficiency within your home. By reducing the need for constant heating or cooling adjustments, these blinds can help lower energy bills, making them a cost-effective investment in the long run. This aspect becomes particularly relevant in regions with extreme weather conditions, where the insulation provided by honeycomb blinds can significantly contribute to a more comfortable indoor environment throughout the year. Honeycomb blinds also shine in their ability to minimize glare and UV rays. The cellular construction acts as a barrier, filtering and diffusing sunlight to reduce glare on screens and furniture. Simultaneously, the blinds can block a significant amount of harmful UV rays, preventing furniture and flooring from fading over time. This feature not only enhances the longevity of your interior furnishings but also contributes to creating a healthier and more comfortable living space. In terms of installation, honeycomb blinds offer a hassle-free process. They can be easily mounted inside or outside the window frame, providing flexibility to homeowners based on their preferences and the specific layout of their windows. This simplicity in installation, coupled with the wide variety of customization options, makes honeycomb blinds a convenient and adaptable choice for those seeking a seamless and personalized window treatment solution. To sum up, honeycomb blinds go beyond their visually appealing design to deliver a comprehensive package of benefits. From their sturdy and practical construction to their contributions to energy efficiency, light control, and UV protection, these blinds emerge as a versatile and advantageous choice for enhancing the comfort and functionality of any living space. In addition to their functional attributes, honeycomb blinds are recognized for their role in promoting a sense of environmental consciousness and sustainability. Many manufacturers prioritize the use of recyclable and eco-friendly materials in the production of honeycomb blinds, aligning with the global shift towards more sustainable living practices. This eco-friendly approach extends not only to the materials but also to the energy-saving benefits of the blinds, as their insulation properties contribute to a reduced carbon footprint.
With innovation. LitBlinds required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. LitBlinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LitBlinds.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LitBlinds.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments and share.